Hey guys, it's me Kendra / Chica. Today we're gonna be looking at my slime. Guess what? I have my hair cut. It's a bit messy. I just woke up like a couple hours ago. So yeah, sorry it's been so long that I haven't did any YouTube videos. It's just because school, all the snow. I really want to go outside, go play, you know, all that stuff. I'm going to be looking at my slime again. I just made it fluffy. Literally. Look, I'll show you. I made it so fluffy. You see this? This is actually so fluffy. It's not sticky either. It's cool. Like when you put it in the container, like I have the container squirt. I have a squirt bottle that I squirt my container with. And I put the borax and water and I mix it together and I squirt it in there. So this is actually the only bit I have. So yeah, I'm gonna sit on this chair. So yeah, slime. Weird. Oh, he's Bella. She's so cute. And it's stretchy too. But when you like take it out too long, it gets hard. So I have to squirt my borax and water in there again. This is how I made it fluffy. So I had it made as normal slime, Gain and laundry, Gain, the laundry detergent, and Glue All. And yeah, I mixed that together. Then I made this slime. And then after a while, I said, maybe I should make this fluffy. And then guess what I did? I took some shaving gel and I mixed it all together to make it fluffy. And then I dipped this in it and it went really fluffy. If you're wondering why there's little stumps in it, it's because I put some of my fake snow in there. And if you don't know what fake snow is, it's like wrapper, it's like little pieces of wrapper that has been I forget. It's like pieces of wrapper that have been cut up in tiny pieces, I think. Yeah, that's probably it. And I still have my pajamas on. Nobody cares because I don't. My slime's getting kind of hard now. But doesn't matter. Probably. Oh, I forgot to do poking noises. You guys want to hear it? Okay. Ready? I'm putting my slime up by the speaker, my camera. That's what it sounds like. Now on the table. Oh, look at that lighting! Oh my god. What happened to my lighting? Oh my god. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Sorry about the lighting. It was really bad just then. Don't know how. Oh my god. Why is the lighting like this? Is something wrong with my camera? Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.